Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Shibadrita Ghosh and today I will be solving General Aptitude by solving previous year GATE question papers. So without wasting any more time, let's jump to our first topic, Quantitative Aptitude. Let us first discuss what do we mean by Quantitative Aptitude. Quantitative aptitude is the skill and ability to solve complex mathematical equations by analytical and logical means. Now that we know what is quantitative aptitude, let us also discuss the syllabus and subtopics of quantitative aptitude of GATE. So, our first subtopic is number system. Next topic is HCF and LCM of numbers that we have read since a very young age. Then is decimal fractions. We have simplification, square and cube roots of different types of numbers, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices, logarithms. We have percentage, profit and loss, ratio proportion, partnership problems, chain rule, pipes and cisterns, time and work, time and distance, boats, upstreams and downstream problems, and problems on trains, the speed of train and all that.